Starting around 05 April 2024, Avalanche generally is exchanging at $45.05 in terms of its OST rate, with a value change of 91% in fundamentally most recent 60 minutes, especially in spite of prevalent thinking, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Avax, in every practical sense, has an essentially complete market cap of $17.23,562,286 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $502,298,760, or so they sort of most certainly thought in an unpretentious manner. This especially basically makes Avalanche Avax kind of positioning at 11 in the cryptographic money market, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. On the off chance that you in a real sense by and large are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially is the Avalanche cost expectation end of 2024, what will Avalanche be pretty in every way that really matters, worth in 2024 in a fundamentally quite huge manner? Is Avalanche a kind of essentially wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2024 in an entirely significant manner? Will Avax cost generally outperform its unsurpassed truly lovely high in a kind of certainly significant manner? These for the most part are our Avalanche cost expectations for Avax future, which truly is very huge in an especially large manner. Avalanche Avax value expectation 2024 as per the Avalanche figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Avax cost is supposed to especially cross an outrageously normal value level of $61.25, the normal kind of least value worth of Avalanche toward the finish of the decently in every practical sense. Current year ought to truly be $59.35 in a really significant manner, which is genuinely critical. Besides, Avax can arrive at a kind of exceptionally greatest value level of $70.77 in a genuinely huge manner. Avalanche value expectation April 2024. Avalanche cost for the most part generally is supposed to in every practical sense reach between $45.52 to $51.21 in April 2024. While the truly normal cost of Avax for the April vary remains around $49.79 Avalanche Avax value forecast May 2024. The cost for Avalanche in May 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $48.91 and $53.70 in a huge manner in a really significant way. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $51.18 in every practical sense, huge way. Avalanche value estimate June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of Avalanche sort of basically is supposed to basically in a real sense be at around a genuinely lovely least of $50.41. Most certainly further appearance how this sort of makes Avalanche Avax by and large extremely positioning at 11 in the cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive way. Avalanche cost can in every practical sense truly arrive at a truly kind of limit of $55.75 with a truly normal cost of $52.31 in USD. Which for the most part is genuinely critical, in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Avalanche value expectation July 2024. Avalanche cost truly is supposed to sort of especially reach between $51.46 to $58.37 in July 2024, while the very kind of typical cost of Avax for the July for the most part generally remains around $53.35 Avax value figure August 2024. The Avalanche conjecture for August 2024 expects that the Avax may especially arrive at an essentially greatest worth of $60.50 with a truly least cost of around $52.05, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Discussing the entirely of normal value Avax can for the most part stretch around $54.42 for August, which in every practical sense, basically is very huge in a significant way. Avax value gauge September 2024. In September 2024 the cost of Avalanche generally truly is estimated to for the most part essentially be at around and actually certainly least worth of $54.70, which for the most part in every practical sense is genuinely huge incredibly. The Avalanche value worth can in every practical sense essentially arrive at a by and large genuinely limit of $63.12 with a fundamentally genuinely normal exchanging worth of $56.60 in an unobtrusive way in an unpretentious manner. Avalanche value figure October 2024 the truly sort of normal cost of Avalanche Avax could for the most part commonly go to $57 to $73 toward the finish of October 2024 in a pretty really significant manner, which by and large is genuinely critical. Avax could sort of exchange around an especially really most extreme worth of $65.49 with the sort of least expected cost of $55.83, which explicitly in a real sense demonstrates the way that the Avalanche value worth can entirely arrive at a vary in every way that really matters. Limit of $63.22 with the exceptionally beautiful typical exchanging worth of $56.60 in USD, which essentially is genuinely huge, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Avalanche Avax value gauge November 2024. For November 2024, the cost of Avalanche fundamentally by and large is in a real sense certainly anticipated to, for the most part, arrive at a truly normal cost of $59.46, while the coin could exchange between an actually essentially limit of $67.80 and a very least of $57.57, by and large sort of additional appearance how the Avalanche value worth can in every practical sense by and large arrive at a pretty in every way that really matters. Limit of $63.22 with the especially kind of typical exchanging worth of $56.60 in USD. Lovely in spite of prevalent thinking, which is genuinely critical. Avalanche value expectation December 2024. Avalanche cost explicitly is supposed to, for the most part, reach between $59.35 to $70.77 in December 2024, while the kind of truly normal cost of Avax for the December for the most part certainly remains around $61.25. Avalanche commonly past value examination in the by and large truly beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally sort of has been really diminished by 5.25% in its especially current worth in an especially significant manner, which in every practical sense is very critical. On the off chance that we for the most part truly look at the very beautiful current market cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap especially truly is likewise down in an essentially lovely significant manner, or so they thought. Avalanche fundamentally basically is confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, which explicitly generally is very critical in every practical sense in spite of mainstream thinking. The Avax generally truly is down to nearly 16.37% in the truly very most recent 7 days, truly in spite of prevalent thinking in a significant way. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for very all plans and purposes past essentially sort of couple of days. The coin could actually in a real sense have areas of strength for certainly at the same time. We don't in a real sense truly believe that it would a beneficial resource in present moment, which actually buy, and that's what large shows assuming we generally explicitly look at the really current market cap of the Avax with yesterday's. You can explicitly especially see that the market cap basically for the most part is likewise down in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. Avalanche value estimate 2024 facts. What will generally be Avalanche commonly worth in 2024 in a for this most part huge manner. The Avax value sort of truly is estimated to arrive at a truly kind of greatest degree of $77 with especially least cost of $59.35 toward the finish of 2024, which is very critical. Torrential slides basically have a future, which in a real sense explicitly is genuinely huge, which is very critical. As far as value, Avalanche for the most part has an extraordinary